back to Vlogmas Day 15. Just another typical day here. Morning started. Natasha's working. Kids doing school. You done with school?
Yeah.
I got a great idea. Let's do more school.
No.
Yeah, there's math, some chemistry, home economics. How's that sound?
If it includes food, I'm in.
Perfect then. Merry Vlogmas 2022.
Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Bill.
And we're nursing our travel bug.
We've been full-time RVing for over 5 years now.
And we document our journey right here on YouTube. But for the next 25 days, we are participating in Vlogmas, where we release a video every single day.
Make sure you start at day 1 so you know what's happening. And subscribe and ring that notification bell.
Now, on to today's episode.
We're making cookies. Sugar cookies.
That's right. And that tells me the oven is ready, so we best get these cookies on the tray.
First we gotta make the dough.
Here's our recipe.
Sugar cookies. 1/3 cup of shortening, 1/3 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Start by adding the dry ingredients.
Whisk it all together to get all those ingredients combined.
And then add the wet ingredients. You're gonna need a power mixer or something like that to get the butter and the shortening done.
Or work out those muscles and get your hands really messy. If you really want to, I guess.
And then add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients.
This is where the dough starts to stiffen up. So this is where a power mixer would come in handy. We used to have a big old stand mixer. Those are heavy, bulky, so that had to go out of the RV.
Scrape the bowl down, throw it in some plastic wrap, and toss it in the fridge. My favorite Christmas cookie is a sugar cookie because it's nut-free and it's easy to make, and most ingredients you'll probably have at your home. Yes, we used almond extract, but that doesn't seem to bother me. Another good thing about sugar cookies is that they're the only ones that you could decorate. You could add icing, which is quick and easy to make. Just a little powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Good tip, use parchment paper on your pans so the cookies will cook evenly and they won't stick. Since this is school, we'll be putting different shapes of cookies on the paper because it's an experiment. Another experiment. I'm gonna flatten half of them, but not the other half.
La 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 la.
Alright, let's take them out, have a look, make sure they're done. They look good. They look great actually, but the big ones are a little doughier though. Depends on which ones you like. If you like softer and doughier, then just ball them up. But if you like crispy, I would recommend doing crispy by flattening them with a cup. Now let's put them on a rack so they can cool off faster. Now let's get to decorating. We're gonna do drizzling for the flat ones, and we're gonna just dip the big ones, the fat ones. Dad decorated this one. He just grabbed a fork and he drizzled it over. Not spitting it around or anything. He made it look like a work of art.
Although these are Will's sugar cookies, I decided to experiment by putting a tiny snowflake on 4 of these.
It's a success. If you like softer more than harder and crunchier, if they get left out, then I would go for the ones without flattening them. Then they will be perfect. But if you like crunchy ones, then I would go for flattening them. I prefer flattening them because I like crunchy cookies. Well, that's it. It's been fun making cookies. If you want to make the cookies, then follow the recipe. They're good. slap that like button, comment down below if you'd eat these cookies, and ring the notification bell after you subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. And it's been Will, nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what make you happy. Bye! Yeah, let's go!
Let's start.
By shaping the cookies.
First we need to make the dough, fool!
The dough is already made.
They don't know that!
Oh. First we gotta make the dough.
Shut up! Open it, close it, put it on for 40 minutes.
Use parchment paper on your racks. What? Mom says dip a fork in sugar so the cookies don't get stuck to your fork when you're flattening them. That obviously didn't work. It's a success. The cookies turned out perfect. If you like ooey and gooey and bigger and not gonna be stale when you leave them out, I would go for the big ones that stick up without, secret word, green frosting.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.